worship at the altar of murder and mayhem. We the people know not what we do. The Purge is not about containing crime to one night and cleansing our souls by releasing oppression. It's about one thing: money. Who dies tonight? The poor. We can't afford to protect ourselves. We must pick up arms. This year, we will fight back.
Jose, Alex, perimeter check.
Impressive facility, Dickie. Are you sure we're safe here?
100%. Sir, we are miles offshore. No one knows we're here.
My husband and I are both very serious about the purge, sir.
Yeah, it's all for a good cause. Now, I want to hear about the safe room.
Yeah, step aside, hon. Sorry about that. For the sake of discretion, I have not shared this with any of my team, not even my wife. Upstairs, third level, there's a hatch. You will find a safe room in there, all for yourself.
All right, we have the live stream put in?
Yes, sir. CCTV, security cameras. It's all of Los Angeles County.
Oh, that's fantastic, Dickie. I love watching these thugs tear each other to pieces.
Excuse me, sir. I know you want to get settled in, but I do have your post-purge agenda to review. So there is a 9 a.m. press conference highlighting your role as a new founding father of the purge.
Yeah. Voters love me. They love the purge.
Of course they do, sir. And here is the statement I prepared.
Oh, you did this? Well, it's perfect as always, Beth. You know, you're like the daughter I never had, always in the right place at the right time.
This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the initiation of the Purge. This annual event has been authorized by the U.S. government, and weapons of Class 4 and lower have been approved for use. All other weapons remain illegal during this 12-hour period. Beginning at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be permitted. Once the purge concludes at 7 a.m., emergency medical services will be deployed. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn.
I get tingles all over. It's like Christmas morning. Let the bodies hit the floor.
Dickie, is that helicopter one of ours?
Helicopter? Just signal them. Tell them it's me.
Sir, maybe you should come down from there.
Maybe you should smile more. You'd be a lot prettier.
Sir, come down right now.
All right, boss.
Jose!
Hey!
Stay out of the searchlight! Jose, Alex, defensive positions! I need eyes over that wall right now!
Defensive positions? What does that mean?
Sir, this is not a trail.
Who are they?
Thugs!
Thugs! How did they find us? Did they get in here?
No chance, sir. Let's move.
Oh, okay.
Get down.
Okay.
Okay, Alex, drop the big!
What's going on?
Starship, move now! Go!
Okay.
looking for your boss, a purge pioneer, and he seems to be missing. Well, come on! Got a hell of a night planned, friends. So who's gonna save everyone a lot of pain and tell me where he's hiding? Anyone? Anyone else? On your knees! Hey! You're his number one, right? So where is he, Special Agent Dickie?
I don't know. I swear.
Liar. Show me her hand. Oh, nice ring. Congratulations. You must have spent a lot on that, eh, Dickie? So where's your boss?
We don't give up our own!
It's a terrible feeling, isn't it? Watching the people you love get hurt. I know. I've been there. We have all been there. My sister and I watched our parents get purged. Head down. You and your new wife are gonna hate what happens next.
Okay.
Hey, Dickie, just tell her,
Okay,
please.
Just wait!
Dickie, wait! I've got this! Come on.
think this is gonna fix what the Purge took from you?
Shut up! And look up there. Oh! I'm gonna give you one last chance before I kill your wife! Where is he? Don't tell these animals anything!
No! He's up there! Third level! In the safe room! Just don't kill her!
Thank you, sir. Now, feel what it's like to say goodbye to someone you love. No. Do it!
You mother...
What was that? Now find me that safe room and bring me that boss!
Looking for me? Hit!
Oh, finally, the guest of honor.
Yeah, and I'll do it again.
Great! Everyone, purge him!
Oh, hey, come on! Look, I have influence, powerful friends. Let's make a deal.
Don't beg, Phil. It's unbecoming.
Man! I gotta get out of here! Ow! I don't know. Find something. Do your job. Go!
Okay.
Find something!
Okay!
Oh! Ah! Yeah! Ah! Yeah!
You can't run from the purge, Phil! You worked too hard on it! My friends! It's time! Tonight, we'll watch one of the new founding fathers of the purge suffer as we have suffered!
Come on. Oh, hey, look. Let's talk about this. You look like reasonable. You lowlives. Do you know what I've done for this country?
Stop!
Now, Beth, in the right place as always. Don't beg, Phil. It's unbecoming. You're an idiot. You people, light them up!
I've got this.
Yeah, fire!
I don't think so. Boss,
Fudge.
every single one of us has lost someone to the purge. All of us.
My sister and I watched our parents get purged.
Yeah, Phil. Our parents. Right place, right time, huh, sis?
Beth, Dante, I'm sure your parents were good people. I can fix this. Just name your price.
Oh, your life.
So this is all about revenge?